Why do some Americans become wealthy while millions of others struggle their entire lives? Why do some people retire early while others work their entire life just to survive? The answer is not luck, and it's definitely not magic. The real secret is simple. Rich people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Most people spend their entire lives trapped in the same cycle. Wake up, go to work, pay bills, use credit cards, repeat, month after month, year after year. And no matter how much money they make, they still feel broke. Because income alone does not create wealth. A high salary can make someone look rich. But smart financial habits are what actually build long-term wealth. Wealthy Americans understand one important thing. Ownership matters. Poor and middle-class people usually focus only on earning money, but rich people focus on owning assets. Things like stocks, real estate, businesses, and investments. These assets continue making money over time. That means wealthy people are not trading every hour of their life for money. Their money starts working for them, and that changes everything. Another major secret is multiple income streams. Most average people depend on one paycheck. If that paycheck disappears, their financial life becomes dangerous. But wealthy Americans build backup income sources. Some invest in stocks, some own rental properties, others start online businesses. Some create content online and earn passive income. This means money continues coming in, even while they sleep. That's one reason rich people become richer over time. Another powerful habit is investing early. Instead of waiting to become rich first, wealthy people start investing as soon as possible. Even small investments matter, because over time, money grows through compound interest. Small amounts slowly become large amounts. That's why many wealthy Americans think long-term. They understand real wealth is usually built slowly, not overnight. Another important part of American wealth is credit score. In America, credit can change your entire life. A strong credit score helps people buy homes, finance businesses, and access lower interest rates. But bad debt can quietly destroy financial freedom. Many people stay trapped because they spend money they cannot repay. Wealthy people usually use debt differently. They avoid bad debt and use smart debt to buy income-producing assets. Another major difference is lifestyle. Most people try to look rich. Luxury clothes, expensive cars, designer brands. But many real millionaires live surprisingly simple lives. Instead of spending money to impress strangers, they invest money to build freedom. This is called delayed gratification, and it's one of the biggest secrets behind long-term wealth. Social media makes people compare themselves constantly. People spend money trying to appear successful. Meanwhile, wealthy people quietly buy assets behind the scenes. Another huge wealth-building strategy is real estate. Many Americans build wealth through property ownership. Homes and rental properties can increase in value over time. Rental income can also create passive cash flow. Business ownership is another major factor. America rewards entrepreneurs heavily. Some people build small local businesses, others build online companies from home. Owning a business creates much bigger opportunities than relying only on hourly income. And today, the internet has created even more ways to build wealth. People now make money through YouTube, online stores, affiliate marketing, digital products, and content creation. But despite all these opportunities, most people still struggle financially. Why? Because financial education is rarely taught properly. Many people grow up without learning how investing works, how taxes work, or how wealth is actually built. Wealthy people often spend years learning financial skills. They read books, study investing, learn business, and improve their mindset constantly. Another huge difference is patience. Poor people often chase fast money, quick schemes, lottery dreams, shortcuts. But wealthy people focus on steady growth because real wealth usually takes time. And perhaps the biggest secret of all is consistency, not motivation. Consistency. Small, smart decisions repeated for years create massive results. Small, smart decisions repeated for years create massive results. Saving consistently, investing consistently, learning consistently. That's how wealth is really built. Financial freedom is not just about expensive things. It's about freedom. Freedom to choose your life. Freedom to spend time with family. Freedom to escape constant financial stress. And that is the real goal of wealth. Not luck, not shortcuts, but discipline, patience, ownership, and long-term thinking. The earlier someone understands money, the more powerful their future can become. Subscribe for more finance and wealth documentaries.